Hey guys, what's going on? If you're watching this video, I'm pretty sure it's because you've got this calculator and you're bored in class. Well, I'm going to show you the really easy way, a really easy way of fixing this up, and you get your couple of games on your NSPIRE calculator, whatever it's called, I don't really care. So basically, when you get your calculator, you'll get all these things apart from Modern Warfare 3 and TV in the background. But you'll get the booklet, you get these two cables, and you'll get that case there with the disc in it and some things. That cable there, so you can plug your calculator into the computer, and that's the one you'll need for this. And you see the USB plug into the computer, and also this is a post commentary, so it's not live. So yeah, and that's the part you stick into the back of the calculator. That's the I don't know what it's called, but yeah, and this other cable there, that's for connecting devices to each other. So that's if you want to connect one device to another, so you can put stuff from there on there. Anyway, the disc is in here. You'll need the disc and also the serial code, so you can install the software properly. So you'll get the proper program. It'll be it's already paid for because you bought the calculator, and you just enter that unique code into the spot where it asks for it. So I'm gonna go and stick this disk into the Mac. Oh, this is a PC Mac program, works on both, so I'll show you how to do it on both. It's pretty easy, and I'll go and switch to my Mac in a second so you can see the screen. But so you don't really need that stuff anymore apart from the serial code, but I've already done all this, so I don't need to do it again, so I can just put that away. But you will need that code if you want the more than 30-day trial for this. And before you play any of these games, you're going to want to charge it fully, because it'll ensure that the battery will last the longest, and it'll last you a few years. Hopefully you'll use it in hopefully you use it as school and as well as university if you go into university. But the main point of this is just to get the games, because you're probably bored in your maths class. I think it's also a scientific calculator, so it might have some science stuff in it as well. Anyway, I'll switch over to my Mac now, and okay, so you can see my screen here, and I'll open the Finder so you can see. So here it is. That's where I keep my stuff. So I'll open Finder now, and you just go down to the disk, obviously, and see, you can see here you can use it on PC as well. It doesn't show up properly on the Mac because it's not the right format, but you can definitely use it on the PC. It's the same stuff, and it looks the same on the Mac. It just has a picture because it's the right stuff. So click on that one, the disk, and go through the setup. It's really easy. I'll show you how to do it. I'll just hide this for a second. Alright, so when it opens, you click install to computer, and all that does is it just puts the program on the computer. The other one installs the handheld driver, sorry. And so I'll just click on the install to computer button to show you. Sorry about the waiting. Okay, here it is. If you have the new one, you're going to want to click on the CAS, because, well, I don't know if it's the new one, but the CAS system, it's more advanced, and it's the new software for the new calculators. I think you can get CAS on the old ones, but yeah, I don't know. But you want to click that one, and you go through the setups. But I'm just going to skip that. And here, you just select the device you have. I have the CX CAS operating system. I'll select that, and I save it to applications, so it's easy. And I'd save the program I installed onto my computer onto the applications as well, so you can just drag it onto your desktop or onto my mini bar at the bottom. But in the setup for the program, that's when you need to use the code that I showed you before. It's different for every single calculator, obviously, but what I did is you find it in applications, and I just dragged it onto my mini bar at the bottom. So I'll open that up to show you what it looks like, and you do the updates and stuff, whatever it comes up, obviously. And yeah, so this is the program, CAS. It's more advanced than the other one, so it's a good to get this one, and it just shows you all the calculating stuff, but this is not what the video's for. So I'll show you the gaming part of it. Just get rid of this. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Just cancel the updates. And so to do this, you just pretty much have to drag the program onto it. But I'll show you in a second how to do that. But I'll show you the site you have to go to. and I'll put the link in the description so you don't have to type anything in. You can just click on it down the bottom and it'll take you to a new site. It's really easy, and there's a ton more games. I think there's like 200 more. Yeah, here it is. And but these are all the games that most people play right now. So yeah, so I'll select Bobby, the carrot, whatever the game is. But I'll just show you the games first. So a few good ones that you might see on the iPod, but you know, some old games. Yeah, Bobby's my favourite. I'll just download that. But I've already got all this stuff. See this Cube Field, and that's fun on the iPod as well. Yeah, so I've already got all these in a folder, but I'm just going to download it to show you how to do it. So basically you just click it, you'll go into your download thing, whatever, and I'll just cancel this site, whatever. Okay, just got to make this smaller, but stuff's up on me. I'll just quit it, hang on. Yeah, ignore that. Alright, so you open the program again, and you go into downloads where you had the download, and you select what you downloaded, and you'll see that the format is very different to what you would have seen before. Close the update again. Here it is, Bobby down the bottom. Drag it onto desktop. So inside it, you'll see that the program is TNS, right? That's the format. So if you don't get one with TNS, you know it's the wrong one. So you just drag that onto here, and it can also be playable on the program for some reason. But yeah, so as you can see, I'm just using it on my keyboard right now. Yeah, but you can do this on the calculator. I'll just show you the one game. Okay, but that's not the point, right? The point is that it's supposed to be on the calculator. So I'll just finish this level, then I'll show you. Alright, so what you do now is, after looking at the game on here, it's really cool that you can play it on here too, but it's not like I'm going to play it on the computer when there's other things I can play. So you go to File, and because you have your handheld saved onto the computer, you go Save to Handheld, and you should make a folder in your your calculator to make it so it's easy to save onto it, and it's easy to find. But so you just select your calculator and you click Save down the bottom right, but I've already got it, so it comes up as themes for some reason. But yeah, and if any of you guys who are watching this also like COD, just so you should subscribe to my channel if you like COD or Skyrim, because I post them as well. You can have a look at my other videos that I already have up, and yeah, it'd be cool. So if you do find this useful, it'd be good to subscribe, because I might have other tutorials I'll post that you might like as well. And yeah, so this is Bobby Carrot. Really bad game, but it's fun when you're bored in maths class. Yeah, so this is the site again. So if you want to check it out when you want to download the games, there are all the games you can get off that page. But there's if you click to the next page, it's all the games that haven't been finalized yet, but there's still about 200 other games you can get. Anyway, so I'll show you on the calculator. So basically, it's in My Documents, and if you set up the file in the save that you're going to before, you go into Games, and I have Aliens, Cube Field, Pixel Escape, and Bobby Carrot, which comes up as themes for some reason. And yeah, I'll show you the Bobby Carrot game, just so you can understand what it's like, and I'll go back so you can see my hands and see how you play. So basically, just select level 1 by pressing enter down the bottom of your calculator. Okay, so it's pretty much the same thing. Just use the D-pad, whatever you call it. I don't care. That's what I call it on the Xbox controller. So it's really good. And also, if you ever have problems with charging, I'll show you the perfect way to charge it. If you ever have one of those wall plugins, like from Apple, I use that. You plug it into you plug your calculator to that, and it works perfectly. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I really appreciate it. If you liked it, subscribe. It'd really be good. Call me Gavin. See yous.